Kunal, hi, morning. What are your high and low risk bets for the day?
So good morning, Karanya. I think looking at the market texture, it now becomes a bit tricky to try and initiate high beta names. So I would look at two stocks. One of them is from, of course, from the low beta pocket, and the stock which has off late done pretty well, especially I think this month where the stock has done exceptionally well. That's Power Grid. Would suggest that as a buy call. The stock is in strong momentum. We've seen a very strong pickup of price and volume action yesterday, and I'm assuming, or rather, I'm sensing that the stock will probably see a follow through price action on the upside as well. Today also, when the stock had opened a tad bit lower, it's trying to show signs of recovery. So I'm expecting Power Grid to be one of the top performing PSU stocks in the near term. Would suggest a buy with a target range approximately 236 to 240 range for Power Grid, and the stop loss could be kept at 218 mark. The second is, a stock on, a recommendation on PVR. The stock has been an underperformer as well. It's forming a bullish flag pattern on the daily chart. Interestingly, it's come back to a support level, of 50-day moving average on the daily time frame. And I'm sensing that probably the risk reward in this stock is, on the much favorable side from current levels. So looking at a reversal of sorts on stock like PVR, recommending a buy with a target of 1575 and stop us at 1450.
Okay, all right, Kunal. Thanks for that. Gaurang, what are the stocks on your radar?
Morning, Karanya. So, two investment ideas, low risk, fundamental ideas with a long term point of view. And these two investment ideas, Karanya, are basically on fallback of two or three important, you know, uh, evolution that we are going to see. First one is, of course, as you and Varun were mentioning a while back, third quarter earnings, and second one is the growth outlook by these companies' management for the future. And the third and the most important is whatever has been said by the government and the Honorable Finance Minister during the budget. So, first one is from the cap goods engineering space, KEC International, long-term targets of about 550, and the second one is on fallback of whatever spending that the government is likely to undertake to modernize the current infrastructure and create new infrastructure. So infrastructure is the second sector that we have identified, and over there we have reiterated a buy on PNC Infratech, and we have raised our targets to 340. Both these targets, Karanya, on KEC International and PNC Infratech, would get revised upwards in case if the future earnings are better than our estimates. But these are long-term fundamental low risk AIM risk protect.